Today's IT teams handle much more than just support tickets. They manage incidents, approvals, assets, remote devices, and rising user expectations every day. What if all of this could be managed from one powerful and centralized platform? Introducing Favio Service Desk, a complete IT service management and ticketing solution designed to simplify and manage internal IT operations. Built for startups, enterprises, and growing IT teams. Favio Service Desk helps businesses manage assets, automation, incidents, customer communication, and support workflows all in one place. With Favio Service Desk, employees can easily raise tickets for everyday IT issues, for example, laptop failures, software installation requests, or internet connectivity problems. Once a ticket is created, the IT team automatically receives it, assigns it to the appropriate technician, monitors its progress, and ensures the issue is resolved within the defined SLA. This helps organizations to manage their support operations, improve response times, and deliver faster issue resolution. Gain complete visibility into your IT support operations with advanced reporting and analytics for assets, changes, problems, contracts, releases, and software licenses. Favio Service Desk provides detailed reports and interactive dashboards that help organizations to monitor SLA performance, analyze ticket and change trends, track asset utilization, manage contract activities, and efficiently monitor software license usage. These details help IT teams to make smarter decisions and continuously improve service quality. Favio centralizes customer conversations from multiple communication channels including WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, telephony, email, and web forms. Agents can manage all customer interactions from one unified dashboard, helping teams deliver faster, more consistent, and seamless support experiences. Favio helps IT teams easily log, prioritize, track, and resolve incidents through automated workflows, approval processes, and real-time monitoring. It also identifies recurring issues and root causes, helping businesses reduce future disruptions and keep operations running smoothly. Favio's remote monitoring feature gives IT teams complete visibility and control over devices across the organization. The agent software supports real-time asset monitoring for Windows, Linux, and Mac devices. IT teams can remotely run scripts, apply patches, monitor device health, and troubleshoot issues from a centralized location. This helps improve security, performance, and operational efficiency while minimizing downtime. The feature is valuable for MSPs and organizations managing distributed IT environments.